Hello friends, welcome to the daily quiz sessions by Team Prepzone. I'm Shubham. I'm speaking on behalf of the entire Prepzone team and talking about my credentials. I am an IIT Gandhinagar alumnus from the batch of 2018. Previously, I've worked with institutes like Time and Unacademy and have mentored people for Quant and LRDI. So I will also be a mentor if you are an enrolled student. So before moving on to the agenda of this video, which is essentially to discuss QA question of the day solutions held day before yesterday, there's a short announcement for everyone. The batch 2 for CAT advanced preparation has just begun by Team Prepzone expert mentors. You can check out the course details either on the website myprepzone.com or on the given contact number 801795335. Also, the price of this course is only 11,999. This is the minimum course fee which you will get across the internet. Also, there are further discounts based on your past year CAT performance and your academics. Now, today we are going to discuss the solutions of a last QA event held at MBA Prepzone Facebook group. If you're not yet added to the Facebook group, kindly get it done as soon as possible because there are so many events and daily marathons happening on the Facebook group. Also, before having a look at the quiz solutions, pause the video and attempt the question at your ease, and only then have a look at the solution. Happy learning. Integers and x minus 8 and x minus 20 equals to 2 to the power y, then find the number of ordered pairs x, y that are possible.
Hi friends, the first question of the quiz was x minus 20 into x minus 8 equals to 2 to the power y. It was given to us that we have to find solutions such that x and y are positive integers. Now here the main thing to note here is the right hand side is 2 to the power y. Hence left hand side should also be some parts of 2, right? Only then LHS will be equals to RHS and the equation will satisfy. Now for LHS to be power of 2, we know both x minus 20 and x minus 8 are integers because x is an integer. Hence we essentially need two powers of 2's such that the difference between them will be 12. Why 12? Because we can very clearly say that this will be something of the form of 2 to the power a and this will be of the form 2 to the power b. Now it is x minus 20 is one factor and second factor is x minus 8. So difference between them is x minus 20 minus x minus 8. If we take the modulus, it is nothing but 12. So we need two powers of 2 such that the difference is 12. We can very directly see that the numbers would be 4 and 16, right? Now, one very important thing to note here is if the numbers are 4 into 16, it can also be minus 4 and minus 16, right? Because even the difference here is minus 12, and since we are talking about modulus, we have to consider both the cases, positive as well as negative. So we know that this number, right hand side wala number will always be positive, will always be higher than the left hand side wala factor. So what we'll do is we'll write this as either 4 into 16 or minus 16 into minus 14. 4. RHS will always be 64, hence 64 is nothing but 2 to the power 6. So we know y will be equals to 6. Now we have to calculate x. We can directly just put any of the value. So if x minus 8 is 16, x will be equals to either 24, or when x minus 8 is equals to minus 4, x will be equals to 8 minus 4, which is 4. So we have two ordered pairs which are 24, 6 and second is 4, 6. Hence the final answer is two ordered pairs.